Hello everyone. Today's presentation is for Financial Management Business 6070. Dr. Hagnes. My name is Karen. Today's topic is about bankruptcy. The article that I selected from Wall Street Journal, it was written in 2007 and it's called Toys R Us Once Category Killer is Forced into Bankruptcy. We will talk about bankruptcy. What are different types of bankruptcy? The bankruptcy in the United States, how Toys R Us went bankrupt, and the takeaways from the article. I would like to provide an explanation of what bankruptcy is. Bankruptcy is a legal state of individual or corporation whose debt have become so overwhelming they don't believe they can pay them. Bankruptcy helps people who can no longer pay their debts by a fresh start by liquidating access to pay their debts by creating a repayment plan. All bankruptcy cases are handled in federal courts. According to the U.S. courts, there are three main types of bankruptcy, which are usually referred by their chapters in the U.S. Bankruptcy Code. Chapter 7 doesn't require a repayment plan, but does require liquidate or sell non-exempt access to creditors. Chapter 11 is a business organization plan, often used by large business to help them stay active via repaying creditors. Chapter 13 to eliminate qualified debts through a repayment plan over 3 to 5 years period. Chapter 7, 11, and 13, bankruptcy, all impact credit. Not all debts may be wiped out. Individual may be file Chapter 7 and 13 to file Chapter 7 and 13 bankruptcy. Depending on the specific of their situation, business may file Chapter 11 to reorganize or Chapter 7 to liquidate. As you can see from the graph from 1990 to 2020, each year more than 700,000 people in the U.S. file bankruptcy. According to the United States court, many of these people likely look at bankruptcy as a chance to erase their debts and start over. Current situation in the U.S. Big brands like J.Crew, Ross Brothers, and JCPenney all file bankruptcy to reorganize their business. It's not just retail sector that's suffering. Bankruptcy is almost throughout the industry. Automobile, aviation, oil and gas companies are also struggle as COVID arises. Toys R Us was one of the top retailers in the U.S. up to 2017. Toys R Us filed bankruptcy and liquidated 6 months later. After years of declining sales and competitor gobbling up market share, competitor wasn't the biggest problem. Toys R Us have millions of debts. Toys R Us have millions of dollars of debt, sparkling a liquidation that crossed over 700 stores and laid off 33,000 employees in the summer of 2007. With major debt payment looming, Toys R Us tried to quietly refinance its loan, but when toy vendor demand cashed upfront for coming holiday deliveries. In December 2017, Toys R Us filed Chapter 11 for bankruptcy, was able to reorganize, but holiday earnings took a major hit in 2017 due to perfect storm of problems that have been exacerbated by the bankruptcy. In March 2018, Toys R Us received approval from bankruptcy to liquidate its store. Toys R Us was running out of cash. They decided to liquidate. Led True Kids brand to emerge. The True Kid launched in 2019, a new parent company of Toys R Us. The new company has 2 stores in the U.S., currently located in New Jersey and Texas, all bearing the Toys R Us name. What are the takeaways from this article? First, debt can be helped to grow the business, but it can be risky. A business needs to balance use the debt and equity to keep the average cost of capital as minimum. Second, financial management is an important skill of every business. Third, creating a financial plan, set of short-term and long-term financial goals, and keep track to prevent the bankruptcy. These are the references. Thank you for listening. I will be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.